Alright, so now we're going to work on getting links and images. So links, you just use an A tag, which what that does is lets you put a link on there. So href equals, and we are going to put that in there. That's the link to my YouTube channel. So also we're going to have to do this so it actually shows up. So target equals underscore blank, and then we'll end the A tag. Then we're just gonna put YouTube channel. So now it should show up once you're done. So we're gonna check it out. Alright, so here it is. As you can see, it'll say YouTube channel right there. So now if we click on it, it'll bring me up to my actual channel. See, there's my channel, videos and everything. So, and this link is actually, I believe, accessible by everyone because I'm not signed in, so it won't be private. So this is what it looks like. Channel, so you know it works. So that's pretty much how to set up a link. And now we're going to be looking at some images, how to make an image. So we'll keep that link up there just so it's like, because we're going to be creating a website with this tutorial and everything. So use the image tag, pretty simple to remember right there. So the image tag, and then you also want to do source, which you do source equals and then quotes. And what I copied this image address to an image, so you put the link to the image in there in the quotes, and then all you have to do is hit space. You want to have a slash and then end. That's really all it is to put an image, and then I'll show you guys how to have a link to an image. But first I want to show you that this actually works. So you actually notice that this picture is really big. You can do a lot to make it smaller and everything, but we're not really going to be touching on that too much, at least not in this video. We'll go over some more different sizing and things in other videos, but now you can see the links down here, and you can actually change some different things. But that's how big the image is. So now I'm just gonna show you how to have a link to a certain image. Alright, so before I show you actually how to do this, I'm going to show you what it's supposed to look like after you're done. So this is bears. You can see I named it bear because of the images. You can name it whatever you want. If you click on it and it brings you to an image of the bear, you could zoom in anywhere. So now I'm going to show you how to make it. Okay, so this is what I did right here. So that's, if you would like, you basically just replace it with the image address, and you can actually have the link to the image. But that's really all we're talking about, just some simple links and images, how to put that in your site, because those will help your site tremendously and make it look less boring. Especially, we're just having the structure of the website, so it's not going to look the prettiest yet either. So an image and a link help it to be a little more interesting. But I'd recommend not just making a website in HTML, because that's just not, people aren't going to want to look at your website because it's not that interesting. You want to have style, you want to have a lot of functionality. So with style, we can use CSS, and you can have some functionality with JavaScript, and you can do some server-side things with Python. So there's many ways you can make a website, like many different languages you can use, but right now we're just focusing on HTML, getting the very basics of website creation and web development, and now you know how to create a link, and now you know how to put an image to show up there as well. So hopefully you got something from that. Hopefully you learned, and I'll see you next time.